Hi, I'm Roger with some ideas for using household items for tripods, or I would call box pods. They are cardboard boxes that I cut a slot in the top so that I'm able to put the camera in it. Some of the boxes I made myself out of pieces of cardboard. Made a short one, a taller one. Some of the setups you might want to do for recording video would be to put a little bit taller box in front of you so that your eyes are about 3/4 into the camera. And another angle you might want to do from the back or from the side.